Okay, I'm Liz Rice, I'm from Thrutu, and I would like to start by asking a question. The clicker to work. So what was the first social application on the phone? Cast your minds back to before Facebook, before Twitter, even before you could email from your phone. What could you do? Well, you could, of course, make a phone call. Technology's moved on dramatically since the phone call was invented, and now we use our phones for surfing the web and posting on social networks and watching videos and all that good stuff. But that tends to be a really separate activity from actually talking on the phone. With Thrutu, we're bringing those activities into the heart of the conversation, making it really easy to share rich content while you're talking on the phone. So if the technology cooperates, we should be able to watch a video of it in action.
Ready, go!
Oh my God! I can't believe it! Let me see.
Oh my God!
Come on, you have to call her.
I don't know. I don't even have her number.
Any more excuses?
Bro, where are you? Right on. See you in a sec.
Thrutu is a technology that's making the phone call personal again. You can interact with friends while you talk, send photos without having to hang up or switch apps, trade contacts from your address book without having to search for this, or share your location so friends can see exactly where you are.
Okay, I think one thing to add to the video, when you're using the location function, it actually updates in real time, showing you where you and your friend are, which is super useful if you want to meet somebody. So we have 5 buttons today, but that's by no means the end of the story. We're actually about to release developer APIs, which will let people add their own buttons to the Thrutu platform. And we've had a few ideas, but we're super interested to see what the developer community will come up with. We've been available on the Android market now for just about a month, and we've had some great feedback from end users. One story that I love is from an archaeologist who's using it to share photos and locations of her finds. Good news for carriers, it's actually increasing call durations by possibly up to as much as 50%, according to our early data. And for businesses, it enables really enriched opportunities to interact with consumers. For example, being able to share a promotional voucher, or even enable interactive video while you're on hold. We are based in Palo Alto. We're a division of MessageSwitch Networks, and we are available on the Android market now. Thank you very much.
Questions? Jessa, Aaron? Is there any sign up or anything, or is it all magic that happens in the network somewhere?
Pretty much magic that happens in the network. We do a little activation process using an SMS, but we've tried to make that process as seamless for the user as possible. And that's just to guarantee that you really are the phone. You really are the phone that you say you are.
What's going to drive the AT&T users who can already access like their contacts, their location, send it, and do FaceTime?
Right, so they can do it, but what we found when we talked to users about it is that a lot of the time they don't. You know, what happens is, you know, oh yeah, if you've got so-and-so's contact details, yeah, I do, I'll send them you after the call, because people are a bit frightened of switching between applications while they're talking, and it's kind of awkward, and you have to pick out the contact you want to send and the contact you want to send it to. So we've just made that a lot simpler, because you already know who you're talking to on the phone.
So are you extending the dialer?
Yeah, we actually sit on top of the standard phone application. So it is the standard phone application you see there, right?
How much do you cost?
We are free to download. So the monetization will come through things like relationships with carriers, with handset manufacturers, and the business opportunities.
Great, thank you, Liz. Last but not least, we have